You take a trip to England and you are asking for directions. The woman at the store told you that Big Ben is 10 miles north of where you are right now. How many kilometers away is Big Ben if 1 mile is 1,609 meters? So, let's first start with the fact that we know that we are 10 miles north of Big Ben. And we know that for every 1 mile, you have 1,609 meters. However, you want your answer in kilometers, but we know that 1 kilometer is the same as 10 to the third meters. So, we can go through and cancel out our meters and our miles, so we're left with kilometers, and we're left with 16.09 kilometers. However, if we go back in our problem, we know that Big Ben is 10 miles away, so we have 2 significant figures. So our answer should be 16 kilometers. You are helping your little brother with a science experiment. He needs to measure 1.5 liters of liquid, but he forgot to get a measuring cup. So all you have is a 25 milliliter pipette. How many pipettefuls do you need to fill? You need to fill to measure 1.5 liters of liquid. So, we know that we need to measure 1.5 liters of liquid. But our pipette measures in milliliters. We know that for 1 liter, we have 10 to the third milliliters. And our pipette, for each pipettefull, we have 25 milliliters. We can cancel out milliliters and liters so that we're left with pipettes. And once we solve through, we have 60 pipettes that we will need to fill to measure 1.5 liters of liquid. You are helping your mom do her grocery shopping and have to weigh out grapes. The sign says that it costs $2 for 1.5 kilograms, but the scale measures in nanograms. How many nanograms is 1.5 kilograms to make sure you get the grapes for $2? So, we know that we want to measure out 1.5 kilograms, but our scale measures out in nanograms. We know that for 1 kilogram, we have 10 to the third grams. And we also know that in 1 gram, we have 10 to the 9th nanograms. So, if we solve through, we know that we have 1.5 times 10 to the 12th nanograms to get 1.5 kilograms. So, you must measure out 1.5 times 10 to the 12th nanograms to get the grapes for $2.